Welcome to another video of Blender Beginner series. In the last video, we have learned the basics of navigation in Blender. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend watching it first. Today's video is all about controlling the view using the Numpad. So here's the monkey. Let's understand how the Numpad is used to view from different angles. Numpad 1 for the front view, 3 for the right side view, and 7 for the top view. 1 for the front, 3 for the right, and 7 for the top view. You can also hold control with these to get the opposite views, like control 1 for the back view, control plus 3 for the left view, and control plus 7 for the bottom view. Press numpad 5 to switch between perspective and orthographic view. Perspective shows depth, like how we manually see things, whereas orthographic is completely flat and is super useful when we are modeling something. Now, here is a bonus tip. If you want to see all four views at once, front, side, top and camera, you can use quad view. Just press Ctrl Alt Q and your Blender screen will be splitted into four sections. It will be super useful while modeling. If you want to see the from the perspective of the camera, you can press 0. That's all for today. For more such videos, subscribe.